How to use Alaska Airlines companion fare from your credit card. If you have an Alaska Airline Visa credit card, you can earn and redeem the companion fare for big savings. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, you can log on to Alaska Mileage Plan with alaskaair.com. Go ahead and open this link up on your web browser and make sure that your credit card is linked to this account. And once you qualify, usually after your first card anniversary or meeting with a spending threshold, you will receive a companion fare code in your account under the discount code section. You can click on My Account and then you can just go to your discounts and companion fare codes. There you'll see your companion fare with the code and its expiration date. Click on the sign in button here, and from here you could just go ahead and log in. Once you log into it, you can find My Account and the discounts companion code. To use it, you can start booking a round-trip economy flight for two people from Alaska's website. After selecting flights at checkout, entering your companion fare code in the promo code box, you'll only pay as low as $99 plus taxes and fees for your second ticket, making it perfect for travel within the US, including Hawaii or to Alaska and Canada. So that's how you can easily use the Alaskan Airline companion fare code with your credit card. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.